Hi class, today we are going to review the List P Day 2 words that we learned yesterday. So we'll start with our phonograms that are 2 or more letters that are in this list. The first one is ow, o. So you can pause the video if you need to, write it, say it while you write it. Alright, this is our ow, o. So if you didn't have this, cross out what you had and write this in, saying it while you write it. All right, the next one is E. All right, this is our E. The next one is oi that we do not use at the end of English words. All right, this is oi that we do not use at the end of English words. The next one is R. This is R. The next one is or. This is our or. Okay, our last one is A for letter A. And this is A for letter A. So we're ready to review our words. Let's see. Let's do soil first. Soil. Soil is another name for dirt. Which oi do we use in soil? Good. Oi that we do not use at the end of English words. So go ahead and pause the video, write and mark soil, and then you can check your work. Alright, this is what our soil should look like, so you can pause it to fix it if you need to. The next word is weed. There was a big weed in the garden. Weed. Now, which E do we use in weed? Good, we use our E-double-E, always says E, so go ahead and write weed and mark it, and then you can check your work. Alright, this is what our weed should look like. Alright, let's do seed next. A seed can grow into a plant in the soil, seed. Which E do we use in seed? Good, it's E-double-E, always says E, so go ahead and write and mark seed. Say the sounds while you write them, and then you can check your work. Alright, this is what our seed should look like. If you need to pause the video so you can fix it, go ahead and do that. Alright, the next word is plow. In the word plow, which ow do we use? Good, it's ow, o. Go ahead and write plow and mark it. Alright, this is our plow. The next word is harvest. What's the word? Okay, make sure you check and see how many syllables that is. So you can do your syllable marking, say the sounds while you write it, and mark it. Alright, this is what our harvest should look like. If you forgot the syllable marking, then rewrite it with the syllable marking in there. Alright, our next word is tractor. But tractor is a two-way word. If you remember how we say tractor to spell it, tell me. Good, we say tractor. Tractor. So go ahead and write tractor and say the sounds while you write them and do the markings. Alright, this is what our tractor should look like. Tractor is how we say it to spell it. Remember R and or usually say in an unstressed syllable. Let's say that together. R and or usually say in an unstressed syllable. Good. The next word is way, right? But remember, way is a homophone, so we'll have to listen for the sentence, right? The vet will weigh my dog. Weigh. In that kind of way, which A do we use? Good, we use A for letter A. So write way and mark it. All right, this is how we spell that kind of way. And our last word is weight, as in my dog's weight was 90 pounds, weight. So which A are we going to use in that kind of weight? Good, in that kind of weight, we're going to use A for letter A. So write weight. Say the sounds while you write them and then mark it. All right, this is what your weight should look like. All right, those are all of the words we learned yesterday. So if there were any that you missed during the video, practice them again. So you can hopefully have a parent or guardian or brother or sister say the word to you, and then you can write it. And then if you miss any that time, go ahead and practice a third time. After you're finished with that, it goes on page 44 in your orthography notebook. And the last thing I would like you to do, especially if there were not any words that you needed to practice, the last thing that I would like you to do is write a complete sentence. So starting with what kind of letter? Good, a capital letter. And what needs to be at the end of every complete sentence? Good, an end mark. Okay, don't forget. Go back and check when you're finished. Our sentence that we will write is, let's see, plow the soil for the seed. Plow the soil for the seed. All right, nice job. I'll see you tomorrow.